Alyssa Milano says she might breastfeed her daughter until the kid is 6 years old, just to give the haters more to hate. I'm Mara Montalbano for Buzz60, and that won't be the main reason, but definitely a nice side effect. While on Entertainment Tonight recently, Milano was asked how she felt about the rude reactions to her breastfeeding photos on Instagram, as compared with the seemingly warm reception Miley Cyrus's exposed nipples got at the VMAs. Milano said, quote, "I think people are more comfortable sexualizing breasts than relating them to what they were made for, which is feeding another human." Milano tells ET she doesn't care about the nasty comments she gets for posting photos, most recently this one of her nursing her daughter after she gave birth. The baby just turned 1, and Milano says she still breastfeeds her, and will continue to do so and post photos if she feels like it. And for anyone who does have something negative to say about her Instagram feed, just remember, yes, breastfeeding is optional, but so is looking at her photos. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.